Hey, what's up, guys? It's Craig Syracusa, Walk in Faith. Happy Thursday. It's July 30th if you want to follow along. It's almost August. Can you believe that? Overcoming faulty faith. The righteousness of God is revealed from faith to faith, as it is written, but the righteous man shall live by faith. That's Romans. The greatest barrier to your faith is not circumstances, your past, or anyone's actions. Rather, it is your lack of belief in God's sovereignty, wisdom, and love. You don't trust Him, and it's hindering His power from flowing in your life. So how do you overcome faulty faith? First, ask the Lord to help you to be centered on Him, that when difficulties arise, your immediate look for His aid. He will help you achieve this focus as you spend time with Him and meditate on His Word daily. Remember that daily. We say it every day. You have to build a routine. Secondly, relinquish your desire for control. Friend, it's scary to let go. There is no doubt about it. But whenever the Father calls you to follow Him in faith, He promises to support you every step of the way. He assumes full responsibility for your needs and is ready to equip you for whatever arises. So overcome your faulty faith by releasing your need to direct your circumstances and trusting in your sovereign Savior. Obey God and leave the consequences to Him. He will certainly bless you. Father, strengthen my faith. Help me trust You fully whenever trouble arises, and keep my eyes fixed on You. Amen. In His presence, strengthen your faith. So there's a lot here, but we'll keep it quick. So even when you build a relationship with Christ, you will still have trouble, you still have anxiety, you still have pressure. That will still come, right? This is life. It just happens. But what will happen is you'll be able to handle it. You'll be able to discern His voice. You'll line it up with Scripture. And you could say, I surrender it over to You, Jesus Christ. All my anxieties, all my fears, because they will come. But as you build the relationships on a daily basis, you must do this every single day. It's like anything else, right? Read the Word, build a relationship. When anxiety, when fears come, the first thing we want to do is call someone, try to control it, try to think about the situation. Why is this happening to me? I'm a good person, whatever. Call someone, try to get affirmation, try to get advice from them. Don't do that. Just reflect on it, pray, think about it, take a moment, meditate, and say, God, okay, let's talk about this. Have a conversation, right? That's prayer. And you will be able to overcome anything, right? I'm telling you, the circumstances will come. You'll surrender it over to God and say, God, okay, I cannot figure this out. I don't know what to do, but all the anxiety, all the pressure, I'm surrendering it over to You. And whatever happens, whatever is Your will, I will follow. This is something you have to do every single day. Don't think, if you do it Monday, you don't do it Friday. You must build a relationship with Christ. Trust me. I say the same thing every day, and I will not change what I say. Until next time, always remember you have the ability to inspire and evangelize through words and actions.